had a bunch of things for a luau party. I decided to buy them and turn them into a wreath. Hey, Mom! I think this project was totally done with Dollar Tree items. I have the wire wreath that they sell. That's a grass skirt. I'm going to cut that in half later on. The wire I actually didn't buy from there, but you can get it from Dollar Tree too, thinner wire. I used the wire to attach the grass skirt to the wreath frame. Before attaching the grass skirt, I just kind of gave it a little twist so that it would be more together. And then I did the same thing with the other half. Then I attached it at the 2 connection points with the wire. And I ultimately put 4 connection points, so then I attached it on the other 2 sides as well. So this is the fun part. I saw this in the toy section. I thought it looked like a ukulele, and so I bought that as my centerpiece for the wreath. I hot glue everything onto the wreath. Don't forget to hit like if you like this luau wreath. These stickers did come from Dollar Tree as well, the blue ones and the white ones. I thought they would make the guitar look more like a ukulele. This Luau Sign was in there. I ripped off that shiny stuff. I couldn't use the girl too much, so all I really was after was that Luau Sign. So I just cut it off. You see it's kind of plastic and it's a little flimsy, so I wound up gluing a piece of cardboard on the back so it would be more solid. And then I used my hole punch and scissors to punch 2 holes in it and put a piece of string through it and hang it from the wire frame so it just kind of hangs there. Oh, so this pineapple actually did not come from Dollar Tree, it came from Dollar General, but I went in there a couple weeks ago when they were having a big 50% off sale on their gardening items. So it's normally $1 and I got it for 50 cents. You see right there, those are, well, I bought a few leis and I bought these straws that had these like kind of collapsible pineapples. So you could kind of turn them into pineapples, and that's what I did. And I cut off the straw. Later on, I would cut the straw out first, and that was easiest, and then glue it onto the wreath. But I think here I cut the straw last, and it was okay. So the leis were pretty cool. Of course, I wasn't going to use them in that form, so I did cut the string and kind of dismantle them completely. Then I used some parts from other flowers that I bought there, just fake flowers, and I glued them together and attached that to the wreath. I thought it turned out pretty nice. Don't forget to subscribe if you like to see more creative wreaths like this from Maaa. And hit the like button. here's the final result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time. Aloha!